In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to connect Gumroad to Klaviyo using Zapier. First, open Zapier, Gumroad and Klaviyo in your browser. Log in to your accounts before starting the setup. Once you are inside Zapier, create a new Zap to begin the automation. Now choose Gumroad as the trigger app. For the trigger event, select New Sale so the workflow runs automatically whenever someone purchases one of your products. Next, connect your Gumroad account using your API key. To find the API key, open your Gumroad dashboard, go to Settings, then open the Advanced section and copy your API key. Paste the API key into Zapier and finish connecting your account. After that, choose Klaviyo as the action app. Now, select an action like Create or Update Profile depending on how you want to manage your customer data. Then, connect your Klaviyo account and choose the list or segment where you want customers to be added automatically. Next, map the customer details like email address, full name, product purchased, and revenue amount. You can also create product-based segments for smarter email campaigns and personalized automations. Once everything is configured, run a test to make sure the customer profile is added correctly inside Klaviyo. If the test works successfully, click Publish or turn on Zap. Now, every Gumroad buyer will automatically enter your Klaviyo email flows and audience segments after making a purchase. This is a great way to automate customer follow-ups, improve targeting, and increase repeat sales for your digital products. And that's how to connect Gumroad to Klaviyo. Thanks for watching and goodbye.